Not only do we have an abundance of new content, photographs, clip art, fonts, etc., Corel have also created a brand new program for us to be able to quickly connect to that content. I was incredibly impressed when I first used the new Corel Connect. It's a full screen browser that allows you to search for over 100 file types, preview the files, and find out information such as file size, color depth, etc. Then place that content onto a tray that synchronizes with both CorelDRAW and PhotoPaint. It's really a great product. Let's have a look. And here we are in the new Corel Connect. As I've said, Connect is designed to allow you to find digital content for your design projects. And right now, we're looking on the X5 DVD in the Photos folder, and I'm looking inside of the Natural folder. There is so much new digital content available. In addition to this, you can actually search for relative subjects. So I've typed my search term butterfly, and I'm going to click enter. The search results we see will be determined by the selected display settings we have here. As I scroll down, you can see there's a lot of vector clip art, we even have some photographs, and we also have a few images found in the My Pictures folder that I previously selected. For a larger display, hover over any one of the thumbnails, and once you're satisfied, simply select that image and drag down to the tray. Once you have placed your image in the tray, as with any of the images, you can simply select your image and choose to open in CorelDRAW or PhotoPaint. And in fact, I'm going to open in CorelDRAW. And as soon as CorelDRAW opens, you can commence work on your new image. However, we can also open Connect in CorelDRAW. From the menu bar, choose Window, Dockers, and then choose Connect. The first thing that you'll notice once all the Connect Dockers display is the tray at the bottom contains all the same digital images that we've already chosen from Connect the browser. And in fact, we have perfect synchronization between both programs. We can still search for additional information if we want across our DVD or on our hard drive. Or if, for example, I wanted to place an alternate image on my working area, I can delete that one and simply click and drag from the tray and place on my working area. Now let's say we want to open in PhotoPaint. I'll simply select and click Edit Bitmap. And as you can see, our image opens up in PhotoPaint. Well, I've gone ahead and I've opened up Connect. And I've also rearranged the Dockers because I want you to see how easy it is. We can do this both in CorelDRAW and PhotoPaint. And of course, it makes working on your projects very, very easy. Again, you can go ahead and search, find additional images, and simply select and drag an image onto your tray. So basically what we have is a perfect synchronization between PhotoPaint, CorelDRAW, and Corel Connect. What a tremendous way to manage all of your digital content for your design projects. Wait till you see the wealth of content we have in this release. As with every new release of CorelDRAW, we have a lot of brand new clip art and digital images. Now in this release, we also have a number of new bitmap fills. I'll show you. From the Pattern Fill dialog box, simply select from one of the many bitmap fills, choose your fill, click OK, and there you are. It looks fantastic. In the same way as we have new bitmap fills, we also have a number of new vector fills, and as you can see, they can be used to create great designs. The Artistic Media Sprayer now has new groupings of objects. From the property bar, choose the group that you want, choose the set of objects you want to spray, and begin to spray. Moving now from the sprayer to the brush, you'll also see a number of new presets to choose from. Simply choose your preset, your style, and again begin to draw. There are a number of different results, as you can see here, available from the new presets. Have you ever struggled for design ideas? I know I have. Well, Corel have now provided us with a myriad of professionally designed, customizable templates. Just choose a template, open, add your own content, and you're guaranteed a professional end result every time. In this release, we see the addition of a number of premium font families. It's imperative to know that when you're creating professional designs, that the fonts that you're using are premium quality fonts. And PhotoPaint has a number of new, fresh brush types to choose from. And as you can see, they add real impact. And last, but certainly not least, the Image Sprayer tool. The Image Sprayer tool now has a lot more objects from which you can choose to spray onto your canvas. It's very easy. Simply choose an object to spray from the drop-down and click on your canvas to add elements to your design at any time. As we all know, CorelDRAW has always been a world leader in file format compatibility. X5 now supports over 60 file formats, including the latest Adobe EPS, PSD and PDF file formats. I'll show you. For an example, let's assume you've spent a number of hours creating the perfect design for your customer. They're happy with the colours, they're happy with the layout and the way you have presented this brochure. Of course, now you need to deliver this to your printer and be guaranteed of the exact same result when printed. The way to do this is usually to choose the industry standard PDF. And it's very easy in X5. Come up to File, down to Publish to PDF, follow a couple of prompts and look at this. A perfect reproduction of your original design in a PDF file format. Well, of course, this guarantees you the right end result, creating peace of mind. As you can see, the integrity, the colours have all been maintained in this PDF file. CorelDRAW X5 supports the latest PDF file format, version 9, and should your printer require an earlier version, you can simply choose from the list of versions available. Well, all of this makes output and guaranteed quality end results incredibly easy.